Hello everyone, welcome back to this Microsoft Excel tutorial journey with me on my Knowledge Factor YouTube channel. This is the 49th session and today let's take a look at some of the formatting options that you can apply to your chart, color changes, borders, the font, all of those things, any type of formatting options that you can do inside the chart. So I want to spice this up, make it a little bit more presentable. Um, I do like the way it is, but perhaps that there's some colors that I want to change. Perhaps I want to be able to use colors that come from my company logo, right? Maybe we got specific branding that we need to utilize that you now want to apply inside of your Excel document, not just the chart, but just the document as a whole. So where can we find those options? Let's take a look right there. So first step, with the chart selected, we get those two new tabs at the top of the screen, chart design and format, in the latest release of Excel. On the chart design tab we have got some canned styles and I can click a little down button and you can get all handful of them. In the Windows system, if I hover over them, you get a live preview and there's some pretty neat ones inside of here. I kind of like the background. It's kind of nice, makes those color bars really pop out of there. I got some which is having the borders as well. You got some that add in some labels. Now I have got labels for the dollar amount of my bills, so you got all sort of these canned predefined styles for you to pick from. You can also hop over to the format tab and anything that you select you can then format it, right? Like I just selected the data series for what is that, for the rent, right? Then I can hop up to the shape fill command on the format tab and shape fill, and I can pick a color. Let's see, I like green, so let's grab that green and we can modify that. Anything that you select out here, if I grab the bottom axis, x-axis, there I go up above and you got some formatting options there, such as the line for that axis. But what if you want to change the font, right? The font size, the font color, make them bold, something like that. Well, I'm not seeing that on here. I do have word art styles, but if I hop over to the home tab, uh, you have got your font, your standard font commands here, right? I can pop up the font size a bit, I'll make it 11 and I'll make it bold as well. So I can do the same thing with my y-axis or the values there, and say I will just make those bold, get them to stand out a little bit more, right? The chart title, this one, it comes default with the title on there, but there's really not much to it. It's just title. Perhaps I want to say let's say monthly budget. I can click into there, get rid of that text, and I'll just type into the monthly budget. Here's something kind of neat. Okay, there's definitely preferences there, like what works for you, what's easy for you to do. That's me, right? If it's easy, I'll just grab it. Okay, I'm going to go for it. But here's another option you have. I just typed in monthly budget there. Let's say I'm going to get rid of that. I'm just going to pull hello in there for just a moment, just to show off a feature here. So I'll just put hello. Here's something you can do. If I select the chart title, if you select the chart title box, I'm not clicking inside the box, I have just got the box selected. I'm then going to go to the formula bar here, and at the top of the screen I'm going to click into that formula bar. I'm going to type in equal sign, right? What I'm going to do here is attach that box to a cell or a value in the worksheet itself, so that way if the worksheet updates, my chart in turn would also update as well. That's pretty cool, right? So with that box selected, again I went to the formula bar, equals, and I'm going to go click inside the big cell up here, the one that we merged and centered. So now you can see mine says B2 to I2 because it's merged cell. If your data is still inside B2, you would just grab that cell, but I'll hit my enter key and there it is. I have now connected that box with the value of that cell. So if I click into that cell and I change it to something else, let's say this is 2021 monthly budget, so I want to say 2021 monthly budget there. Hit enter, and there you go. And I have now updated my chart title as well. Cool, right? The data, like the data in that chart, it's already connected. You update the data inside of the spreadsheet. The original spreadsheet would say, let's say rent for March, it went up to 1100, and then it will update the chart as well. There we go. So the chart updated, right? So that's already connected. Bars are already connected with the spreadsheet, but you can connect other text boxes like the chart title as well. Now, if the chart title is not there for some reason, right? You deleted it, the style that you choose doesn't have the chart title, whatever it is, I can select the chart, go to the chart design, and on the left there's an option to add the chart element. Inside of here I can go to the chart title and I can turn it on. I can change its position a little bit right there, right? But that's just where you find the chart title if it's not there, or if you wanted to turn it off, right? It's preferences. What would you like to do there? So other formatting options, they are all right there on the format tab. You could put borders around it, kind of like we did with the cell earlier, change their colors, change their font, right? You could bump up the font size of the legend. So I can go back to my home tab and let's bump that up to a little bit. Maybe I actually want that at the top. So let's see if I go to the chart design, add elements, go to the legend, and there you have that at the top option. So they got all different positions for you to put it in. I think I'm going to put that at the top. I kind of like that title, the legend, and then the chart. I think that looks pretty good. Yeah, so try some of this out and experiment, see what other options you have there on the format tab and what you can change. Add background colors, change the bar colors at the borders, remove the fill color, add just a border, whatever you like to do there. Or maybe you just want something simple. Chart design, go into the styles and pick one of the style from there. And I actually kind of like that one, black one. I think I'm going to stick with that. Let's grab it. Alright, so try this out and then we'll meet up in the next session. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and as I always say, if you really liked it and enjoying this journey, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon to get the latest content update on this channel. Alright then, we'll meet up in the next session. In case you have any questions, any concerns, then do let me know in the comment section of this video. Till the time, goodbye and take care.